Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to download the iOS 14 Beta 1. Now I don't highly recommend this if it's on your main device, just because it's the first beta, so there's going to be a little bit of bugs and glitches. But if you're going to try it on your main device, I'd highly recommend doing a backup first, just to be on the safe side if you guys want to go back down to the current iOS and still have all your data and stuff on your phone. Very important to point that out. But it's really easy to get the beta, so I'll show you guys how to do it. You're just going to head to Safari on your phone, or you can just go on the description of this video and I'll have the link in the description for you. You just want to go on this website here. It's called betaprofiles.com. So once you're on this website, you just want to scroll down and you'll see the download option for the iOS beta profile. So you want to click on download, and then it's just going to pop up asking you to add the configure profile to your device. So you want to click on allow, and then it'll just let you know that the profile has been downloaded. Once you see this, you just want to close out of this and head over to your settings. And then in your settings, you'll notice it has a profile downloaded tab, so you just want to click on that. And then it'll pop up asking you to install the beta software profile, so we'll click on install. Then you're just going to have to enter your passcode. Once you've entered your passcode, you just want to click on install, and then install, and we can just click on done. Then if we go over to our software update, it's going to just check for the update, and the beta profile will pop up. And then all you're going to do is click on download and install, and then you just want to put your passcode again. And then it will start to download and install. Very, very easy to do. And then when you go through the update on the other end, it'll just look exactly like when you update your phone normally. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.